Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Hello and good morning. Today we're gonna have a cozy fall day. The whole island has been changing colors. Everything is orange now, seriously in a blink of an eye. So we're just gonna do some basic fall girl things today. Today I have a personal driver, so I'm actually not driving today. We are heading to a coffee shop because fall menu is out. I actually got a pumpkin spice latte for the first time in my life the other day. Not that good, kind of overrated. Oh, look at him. He's big. Why is the moon out? It's 11 a.m. and the moon is out, so I don't know what's up with that. We're actually gonna make a quick pit stop at the river near our house to see if there's any fish. The salmon are spawning and a lot of them are currently dying off, so we want to see if we can catch a few salmon before this run is over. It is so stinky from all the dying salmon. Oh my gosh. Isn't it so smelly?
Stinky.
Perks of living in Alaska. Talked about this before if you've watched my other videos, but weird thing about Alaska coffee shops is a lot of them are these little huts or shacks in the middle of the road, and you pull in on either side like a drive-through. I'm originally from the East Coast and I've never seen something like that before, and I always just think it's so funny when we pull into one of these. Or should I just get the pumpkin to be fall themed?
I kind of want to try the pumpkin. I never tried it. So
no, I'll get it. We'll get a pumpkin spice latte, even though it's kind of trash. It's actually not bad. I'm making it way worse than this.
Just walking over to get our drinks.
Pumpkin spice latte. We're gonna do a taste test. Maybe my first one I got was bad. I'm gonna let you take first.
All right, ladies first, right? Okay.
Okay, this one's a lot better than the last one I got.
I don't know. I give it like a 7.8. Like it's almost an 8. 7.9.
Imagine being almost an 8. Would you like get it again though?
No.
We decided to pull off on the side of the road to look for bears. I don't know if there's gonna be one. I wouldn't get my hopes up, but we'll see. Like all the birds flying. I don't know, it feels like something bad is happening. Why are they all swarming us? Why am I so nervous right now? Woo.
And nothing.
No bears?
No bears.
No bears today. They're usually here though, but yeah. Mountains are pretty sick. Whoa, the birds! Oh. How you know the seasons are transitioning is when fireweed no longer has those petals, and they're becoming white and red. That's how you know summer has come to an end. A fireweed right there. Whoa. Look how tall the fireweed is. It's like as tall as me. I've never seen them this tall. Usually they're like little flowers. Yeah, the birds are going crazy. There's definitely so much salmon down where they are. Seagulls are going absolutely crazy. They're definitely feeding on all the salmon that are on the shoreline. I've never heard seagulls so active. Salmon right there. They're fast. Swim! Swim! Oh no, he's getting dragged by the current. Oh my god. So, these are bear parents. That is terrifying. They are huge.
Look at how many there are.
All of this right here is salmon swimming. We just got to the fishing spot that we were scoping out earlier, and I don't know, doesn't look too great, but we're gonna try to find a salmon. If we throw back a salmon, it's probably because we caught a pink salmon, which they're fine to eat, but we prefer catching the silver salmon. They taste better, they're bigger, so hopefully we catch one today. That's what we're after. All right, we switched spots because the last spot was trash. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is all salmon. It's absolutely insane. Oh, you caught a pink? Yeah. Alright, that means we're gonna throw him back. Don't worry, buddy. Oh. Don't worry, buddy, you're going back. Oh my gosh, he's so fast.
Yeah.
All right, caught a few pinks and threw them back. I think we're just gonna head home. I don't really see any silvers out right now at this river today. Maybe we'll fire up the grill. We'll see. I'm going over to a friend's tonight. I'm gonna make my infamous pumpkin cream cheese muffins. What screams fall more than pumpkin baking?
Behind an empty space, can't always tell what you're thinking, but now it ain't the same. On and on we said that that's forever. You take me to the
For dinner, we have some ground deer that Will hunted a few weeks back, grilled broccoli, and some sweet potato.